How to save WhatsApp audio on iPhone. So, first of all, open your WhatsApp and then open the chat that you want to save the audio from. For example, I want to save this particular audio right here. So, long press on it. Then you'll get to see the option of forward. Tap on it. Then you'll get to see a share icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. After doing that, here you'll get a lot of options like you can airdrop it, you can send it through your message, you can mail it, or you can even save it to your journal and many more. But for now, I'm going to select notes right here. Since it will be easier to save it on Note, then you can select Save To. For now, I'm going to save it on my iPhone, select it. Then you can add your text to your note just like this. Now, all you have to do is tap on Save right here. Now, from here, you can go back, open your notes, and in here, you can see this is the audio that I have saved. Tap on it. And here you can see this is the audio. You can tap on play in order to play.
Hello, how are you today?
And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.